Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to revoke admin request approval invite link in Telegram channel. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Telegram app. Having opened up your Telegram app, go ahead and select your Telegram channel. So I'm going to go ahead now and click on my Telegram channel right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on Telegram name. Go ahead and click on channel settings. Scroll down right here and make sure you go to invite links. Then go ahead and click on the invite link right here. And go ahead and click on these three dots right here. Then go ahead and revoke link. Once you revoke the link, revoke link. Are you sure you want to revoke this link? Once the link is revoked, no one will be able to join using it again. Next thing you want to do is to click on revoke right here. So go ahead and click on revoke. So once you click on revoke, everyone that have link with them, by the time they click on the link, they will not be able to join the Telegram channel again. Then go ahead and click on delete all revoked links. Delete all revoked links. This will delete all revoked links. Click on delete. It's as simple as that. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Telegram channel, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.